In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix checkout issues on Shopify. If customers are getting stuck at checkout, it usually points to a few key settings that need attention. We'll walk through your Shopify admin together and make sure the essentials are correct, starting with payments, then taking a quick look at shipping and taxes, because misconfigurations there can also block checkout. First, open your Shopify store's admin dashboard. From there, head to the settings area, which you'll find at the bottom left of the interface. Inside settings, select payments. This page controls how your store takes money, so any mismatch here can stop orders from going through. Confirm that your chosen payment provider is connected and active. If you see any warnings, error messages, or an inactive status, resolve those right away. Make sure you're not unintentionally in test mode. Test mode prevents real payments and can look like the checkout is failing. Also, verify the accepted payment methods align with what your customers are using and that your store currency matches what your payment provider supports. Look over any additional payment settings, such as authorization and capture preferences, to ensure they match your business process. If your business details are required by the provider, ensure they're complete and valid, as incomplete profiles can interrupt processing. After making any changes, save them so they take effect. Next, while you're still in settings, check shipping and delivery. Missing or incorrect shipping rates are a common cause of checkout failures, especially when a customer's address isn't covered by any rate. Make sure you have active rates for the regions you ship to, and review any conditions based on order price, weight, or product tags to confirm they're not excluding legitimate orders. If you offer free shipping above a threshold, double-check the threshold and currency so it applies as intended. Then, review taxes and duties in settings. If taxes are calculated incorrectly or conflict with a customer's location, the checkout can error out. Ensure your tax settings match your selling regions and business requirements, and that your prices are set consistently as tax-inclusive or tax-exclusive. If you've entered tax registrations, make sure they're current and correctly assigned to the right regions. Once you've confirmed payments, shipping, and taxes are all configured correctly and saved, most checkout issues should be resolved. Take a moment to review your changes and ensure everything reflects how you actually sell and ship. That alignment is the key to a smooth, reliable checkout experience for your customers.